manufacture of sugar, a part of the sugar cane syrup remains uncrystallized. This residue is thick and sticky brown liquid. This is called as molasses. Molasses is used to manufacture ethyl alcohol or ethanol. In this chapter, we will study how ethanol is manufactured from molasses. Process of manufacturing ethanol from molasses include fermentation. You already may know what is fermentation. Fermentation is a chemical decomposition produced by microorganisms on certain organic matters. Usually, carbon dioxide is produced during fermentation. Suitable temperature, range and dilution of matter are necessary to increase the rate of fermentation reaction. The microorganisms which enter the matter produce a specific type of enzymes which act like organic catalyst to decompose the substance. Fermentation of molasses include 3 steps. Dilution of molasses by water such that solution contains about 10% sugar. Addition of yeast and maintaining the temperature range of 300 degree Kelvin to 313 degree Kelvin. Yeast act as a catalyst for fermentation. Distillation of fermented matter. Molasses is diluted with water and acidified by adding dilute sulfuric acid. Yeast is added to the solution and container is closed. The temperature is maintained around 308 degree Kelvin. Fermentation takes place in about a week. The fermented matter is called wort and it contains about 60 to 10% alcohol. Let me explain you the chemical reaction happened during this process. Molasses is basically mixture of sucrose and water. When this is subjected to fermentation, it breaks into simple sugars, glucose and fructose. This simple sugar again undergoes chemical reaction and turn into ethanol, which is an alcohol, and carbon dioxide escape into air.